Alright, so SIG E CAPS is a mnemonic to remember the DSM V criteria for depression or depressive disorder. So SIG E CAPS. Remember, the patient needs to have 5 of the following symptoms within the same 2-week period, and these must include either a depressed mood or a loss of interest or pleasure, also known as anhedonia. The possible features are S for sleep disturbances, I for interest diminished, also known as anhedonia, G for guilt and or feelings of worthlessness, E for energy decreased, so fatigue, C stands for concentration problems, and A stands for appetite or weight changes, which includes significant weight loss without dieting or weight gain. P is for psychomotor agitation or retardation, which is the slowing down of thoughts and movement, and that's not just a subjective slowing down, but also something that's noticed by other people. Finally, S is for suicidal thoughts. To reach a diagnosis of depression, these symptoms must have a significant effect on everyday functioning and must not be the result of substance abuse or medication.